Welcome to the Baby Cubby. My name is Camille and I'm a Cubby mom here at this store, and today we are so excited to show you the new Nuna PIPA Urban Infant Car Seat. But before we do, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below any questions you have about this infant car seat. Now let's get started. To begin, let's review why this car seat is so unique. The Nuna PIPA Urban is the only baseless infant car seat with the integrated PIPA Fix steel reinforced rigid latch. It can install in 2 seconds while weighing in at only 7 pounds. It is amazing that the installation is actually integrated into this car seat. It's something we've never seen before. This car seat was specially designed for busy parents who are on the go or traveling out of town. Now let's go over some of its features. This car seat is the newest addition to the Nuna PIPA Infant Car Seat series, and as such comes with a few upgrades. The UPF 50 Plus canopy provides full coverage. It has 2 positions and features an upgraded extra large peekaboo window for greater visibility of your child and more ventilation. This canopy additionally comes with the classic sky drape. This sky drape pulls down smoothly and attaches quietly with magnets. It easily tucks back into the canopy when not in use. The PIPA Urban is made with Aeroflex foam, which is lightweight and resilient. This is a great safety feature because it minimizes the force transferred to baby by diffusing energy. It is also flame resistant and free of flame retardant chemicals. It also has easy-to-use magnetic buckle holders and merino wool infant inserts to support baby's head. There are 2 layers to this insert. The smaller one is designed for newborns and can be removed when the baby is 11 pounds. All inserts and seat pads are easily removable and machine washable. Something to keep in mind is that the PIPA Urban is a car seat that needs to have the harnesses re-threaded as the baby gets older. If you do need special instructions about that, be sure to check your manual. Now let's go over the installation instructions, starting with the ingenious integrated rigid latch system. To begin, locate your vehicle's lower anchors. For vehicles with deeper anchors, Nuna provides a set of anchor guides to make it easier to find the latch anchors. You will then grab and rotate the rigid latch from their storage position on the car seat. The auto reclined foot will come down with the anchors. Then guide the rigid latches onto the lower anchor bars in the bite of the seat and push to connect. You will hear it audibly click into place. You can check for proper installation by making sure the indicators on the side of the rigid latches have turned from red to green. You will then pull at the connection to check for attachment. Lastly, make sure the blue level line is parallel to the ground outside the vehicle. To release the car seat from the vehicle seat, you will simply press the release button found on the back and gently pull. This car seat is super easy to attach and super easy to release. It really just comes off in seconds. How amazing is that? The European belt path is included for instances where latch is not available, such as use on an airplane or some middle seating positions in a vehicle. To begin, place the car seat on the vehicle seat and make sure the blue level line is parallel to the ground. Next, pull the vehicle seatbelt out and thread it through the seatbelt guide on the side of the car seat. Pull it through to the other seatbelt guide on the opposite side of the car seat and buckle it into place. For additional security, use the European belt path located on the back of the car seat. To use it, pull out the shoulder belt and pull it through the back of the car seat. Thread it through the European belt path and guide it around the car seat. Then, make sure the seatbelt is in locked mode. While pushing down on the child restraint, pull up on the shoulder belt to remove all the slack from the lap belt. Check for stability. The car seat should not move more than an inch from the seat. This car seat truly has a 2-second installation we know you're going to love. Now let's talk about travel systems. As mentioned before, the PIPA Urban was designed for parents who are often on the go. With convenience in mind, Nuna decided to pair the PIPA Urban with 3 strollers for you to choose from. It is important to note that this car seat only comes as a travel system. The first travel system is the PIPA Urban plus the Nuna Travel. This is a great travel system for those who seek maximum efficiency when it comes to compact living. The Nuna Travel is the lightest Nuna stroller. It has a 2-second self-fold and can even fit in the overhead bin on a plane. To create the travel system, simply tuck the PIPA Urban into the seat with the back resting on the belly bar. You will then make sure the side latch is engaged to ensure a tight hold. The second travel system is the PIPA Urban plus the Nuna Triv next. This is another great compact stroller. It has a modular seat which can be completely removed. One of the features we love about the Triv is that the included ring adapter can be folded with the frame. To create this travel system, simply click the PIPA Urban into the ring adapter. You can release it from the ring adapter by pressing the release button on the car seat. The third travel system is the PIPA Urban plus the Nuna Mix Next. This is the largest stroller out of the three and is designed to provide a comfortable outing while being able to handle many terrains. It also has a modular seat and can accommodate the PIPA Urban, also with the included ring adapter. All three travel systems are really great and are designed to fit different family needs. They are also available in different fashion options. That wraps up our review of the new Nuna PIPA Urban. We truly love this car seat for its innovative baseless installation. It's a beautiful, functional car seat that we know you're gonna love. You can shop for all three Nuna PIPA Urban travel systems at babycubby.com. We offer price matching and free shipping on orders of $95 or more. To see this car seat in action, make sure to check out this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.